Excel formulas confuse you? Can't remember VLOOK? AI can write any formula, explain what it does, and even analyze your data. Let's go. Why this matters? Excel skills are like a superpower at work, but the learning curve is steep. Artificial intelligence or AI flattens it. What AI can do with data? Write any Excel formula in plain English, explain what complex formula mean, analyze data and spot trends, create pivot table instructions, and debug broken formulas. I've used it myself for all of the formulas and it's magical. No more googling on how to, just ask AI like a colleague who's an Excel wizard. Let's look at the demos. Let's see the first demo where we are creating a formula. Write an Excel formula that looks at column A, which is your sales amounts, column B, which are your dates, and calculates the total sales for January 2024 only. Explain what each part does. Now let's look at the response. I'm sure you won't have guessed it. This is the Excel formula that will calculate the total sales for January 2024. Now again, it is giving you the explanation of why this formula. So it is explaining what this function is all about. It's explaining the sum range, which is your column A, criteria, column B, criteria, range 2, column C, and so on. And the result, the formula adds up all the same sales amounts in column A, where the corresponding date in column B falls within January 1st to January 31st, 2024. Wasn't it easy? Now let's look at the second demo where we are analyzing the data. I have sales data with columns, date, product, sales amount, and region. What are 5 meaningful analysis could I do? Give me the Excel formulas or pivot table instructions for each. Now let's look at the insights. So it's explaining what instructions I've passed on. Now, based on AI's help, I know that the first trend I can look at is the total sales by month. And it is also explaining me how I can create a pivot table in an Excel sheet, or also giving me an alternative formula to derive the same thing. Top selling products, sales by region, product sales by month, year on year growth, month on month growth, and it is giving formulas for each of them, helping me with instructions on how to create a pivot table. And then it is giving me bonus ideas that maybe this is something I can try as a filter and so on. So in like few seconds, you have a brilliant output and you don't even have to remember your Excel formulas anymore. Now, the third demo that we would do is we'll explain a complex formula. So let's write the prompt, explain this Excel formula in simple English. In case you're working in an Excel and you're unable to understand a certain formula. The formula is if and B2 greater than 50, comma C2. Oh, let me just, it's better to copy paste the formula. Now let's see what AI comes back with. So now it is breaking down the formula, explaining me what this formula is all about, what it will do, what the different parts explained, and so on. It's really helpful if you live in Excel all your professional life or whatever work you're in. If you can use AI to become an Excel guru, there is nothing superpower than that as a working professional. Now let's debug a formula in our fourth demo. So my Excel formula isn't working, and I will just put in the Excel formula for simplicity. I want to sum values in column C, where column A is greater than 100, but I am getting an error. Now we are using the help of AI to debug our formulas so that we have the right formulas. Now it is telling me it's looked at the formula, looked at my problem statement, and AI just helping me understand where I went wrong and correcting the formula for me so that I can get the expected results. Isn't it amazing to see how AI can help you with Excel? The first step is always tell AI which columns have what data. It is very important. Tip 2, for complex analysis, paste a few sample rows, remove sensitive information. Tip 3, ask for both the formula and explanation so you learn. Tip 4, work in Google Sheets. Just say Google Sheets formula instead, syntax is slightly different. Now, there are common mistakes that we can make while using AI for Excel. Sometimes AI suggests older formulas based on older Excel versions, so you need to keep that in mind. If you encounter this issue, you can always tell AI the Excel version so that it gives you the formulas for that particular Excel version. Now again, this video has a challenge. Find one Excel task that you struggle with. Ask AI for help and share what you learned. In the next video, we will look at accelerating your research and learning capability with the help of AI, and you can become an expert in anything fast. Thank you.